One, so we have this equation to solve. We need to find the values of x. Alright, so if you are new here, please kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So we have x cubed multiplied by x squared minus 5 is equal to minus 4x. So this is the same thing as opening the bracket. X cubed times x squared is x to the power of 5. X cubed times minus 5 is minus 5x cubed, then equal to minus 4x. I can decide to bring the minus 4x to the right hand side, then it will turn to plus 4x. Everything is equal to 0. Now x is common in all the terms, so I can factor out x. If I factor out x, I will have x power 5 divided by x is x power 4, minus 5x power 3 divided by x is minus 5x squared, and 4x divided by x will give us just 4. Everything is equal to 0. In the bracket, we can still factorize it further by taking this to times this. It will give me 4x power 4. Then you think of two numbers away times to get 4x power 4. If you multiply, you will get minus 5x squared. Of course, the numbers should be minus x squared and the minus 4x squared, because the sum will give you minus 5x squared, and when you times, you will still get 4x power 4. So I can now write x power 4 minus x squared minus 4x squared plus 4 equal to 0. So I use these two terms to replace the minus 5x squared. So now we can now have x into, in these two terms I can factor out x squared. So that will give me x power 2 minus 1. Here I can factor out minus 4 because it is common. I will still have x squared minus 1. Then everything is 0. Still on the factorization, this can be x squared minus 1, which is common, then into x squared minus 4. Then everything is equal to 0. So which is the same thing as saying x into x squared minus 1 into x squared minus 4, everything is 0. So when terms are multiplying each other to give 0, you suspect that either one of the terms is 0 or all of them are 0. So either x is equal to 0, this x here, or x squared minus 1 is 0, x squared is equal to 1, so x is plus or minus square root of 1, meaning that x is minus 1 or 1. Also, for this one here, x squared minus 4 is equal to 0, x squared is 4, so x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. X will now be plus 2 or minus 2. Therefore, x is 0, minus 1, 1, 2, or minus 2. These are the 5 values of x that will satisfy the given equation. Bye.